Hi guys, I'm back with another mukbang because I know y'all love me. Because what just flew into the window? It's been snowing in New York for a time, so I got a kids meal. Well, partially. I got apple slices because you have to have a balanced diet. Because I also got pancakes. Yay! Okay. So, I feel like every time I eat food, I just like reminisce. Isn't that what food's made for? But let's go through. It's Wednesday right now, Wednesday, February 12th. And today I woke up at 7 and had iPhone time, obviously, but watched some cool edits. I posted one. Bro, this fucking noise I keep hearing a noise in my apartment and it sounds like someone's shaking my front door, but it's not. Like, no one's outside of my door. I could cry tears of joy. McDonald's breakfast. I'm so sorry I've only gotten you a couple of times. Because bro. There's never a moment where I don't hear sounds living in New York. Did I tell you guys I'm like slightly on the spectrum? Okay, that's like a stretch, but like definitely. I get overstimulated all the time. I just think that's a normal reaction to like the amount of shit that happens every day in New York, at my school. For me personally, biscuit. My mom loves, oh, it's coming out. My mom loves biscuits. But she's not a breakfast person, so anytime we're on like a road trip or something, she'll order biscuits to go and then eat them later like a mouse. I love her though. What are they even fucking doing out there? I just found a new really good song today. It's called Supersonic Rocket Ship by the Kinks. A little excerpt. So many instruments.
Let me take you on a little trip. My supersonic ship is at your disposal if you feel so inclined.
I'm sorry, like half of my videos are in this 070 Shake shirt. It's because it's so comfy. and I love her. So let's talk about nepotism. If I was a nepo baby, I think by now I would have directed a feature, and I would not be in school. I talk about this a lot with like the people I go to school with, how like it's overwhelming to take courses that are kind of like basic knowledge, but like I'm in like Hindu lit, which is super like interesting and new. Like I've never learned about Hindu culture as much as I have in that class. But like for me to be a film major and like have to do those classes and not have the opportunity to take more video classes, like I'm in photo, it kind of like sucks, but everyone has to go through the required courses. But like rich people can just like pass that step. But I feel like the smart celebrities go back to school or went to school because why not learn if you have the opportunity? I've had really interesting discussions in my classes though. We talked about loyalty for like an hour in my philosophy class yesterday. Like Aristotle, Plato, someone like has this system, this spectrum of like, I guess, putting meaning to words and concepts, like pain versus pleasure, which is a part of a lot of our ideals. And so with loyalty, the pain was like kind of having too much perspective and not really having a true sense of self, because you're constantly loyal to the people you're with. And then we talked about like what is that word, like fan-based culture, and like being online now is like, well, there's creators and influencers who have cult fan bases and they have names for them and they share a lot of the same emotions and feelings. I'm hungry, y'all. But yeah, we talked about how that's kind of like an issue, brainwashing, when you're so loyal to something in politics and in media, because media is like a way to like convince people to believe in stuff that's like harmful, and I don't fuck with that. I don't know about the hash brown. But on the other side of loyalty, the pleasure part of loyalty is like you have a ride or die. You have someone that will do something for you and stay and support you for life. And there's such a good like respect in that if it's like properly cared for and nurtured, like a connection with someone else. Like if you are loyal to that person and only want what's best for them, but also have your own sense of self, and you're just supporting them because you're doing this life all together for the first time, then that's a loyal person. The pleasure of loyalty. And then it got into religion. I have these discourses with one person in my class who's not even Christian, but at the end of everything that he says, it ends up being some sort of Christian, not prophecy, but like lesson. I don't think lesson, and then it's like reaffirmed with, oh, I'm agnostic. I don't care. I just like, I love hearing everyone's perspective. McDonald's will always remind me of home. Home is where the heart is. Did I eat with that? It's like these winter months are going to last for the rest of my life. I'm genuinely scared that it's never gonna stop snowing. It's just the beginning of February. If I got the Happy Meal, I would have gotten another pack of Pokemon cards. I need to hang the ones that I got the last time. There's some sparkly ones. Don't mean to brag, but I'm seeing Lunar Vacation this weekend. Valentine's Day is this weekend. My best friend's coming to visit. We'll film a video, trust. No. I don't think she's been in a video yet. She's coming Friday night, I think, or Saturday morning, maybe Saturday morning. I wish I had like a little travel box that like I could fold up into my pocket, and then it like just magically appeared if I clicked it, and then if I stepped into the box, it would just take me to where I want to go in like 10 minutes, or like even less. Like we'll get it down to the science. And then no fossil fuels will be burned, no gas will be put in the air. Super eco-friendly. And then I'm there. Wouldn't that be so fun? What problems could come from that? Oh my god, yesterday I was talking with this girl, my professor teacher, after class. Let me just ask, How would you guys feel if the legal adult age was 20 instead of 18? Like, buying alcohol and weed and voting and everything, and like school would be changed, the foster care system would be changed, adoption centers. Like, you have a choice at 18 to like be an adult or continue kind of living in a limbo stage era where you can still go to school and like college is extended. Mandated learning past the age of 24 might be like the solution. What if getting your master's was free? What if grad school was free? I just ate up these hotcakes. You guys have to see these drawings that my dad did. He drew these while he was taking care of my grandpa, or just like visiting my grandpa. Like, are you fucking kidding me? These are so good. He's such a talented artist. I wish I knew how to use colored pencils and to shade like he knows how to do it, because he's literally taught himself everything. And they're so adorable. And he does one every day. Like, there's one of me and my mom that he's been drawing for 8 years. And it's of us when I'm like 2 years old on like the steps of our on the steps of our house. I'm so lucky. He's also drawn me Mickey Mouse before and taught me how to draw Mickey Mouse and Minnie Mouse. Minnie and Mickey Mouse. This is the OTP, you guys. Look at her. Bow and everything. Mickey's got some interesting trousers on and yellow shoes. Minnie's got the heels. She's popping. I don't know what else I can say other than no one's doing it like them. And I'm freezing cold. And winter needs to end immediately. Okay, I also got this strawberry and cream pie, but I'm not really feeling it right now. I wish I had more apples. Okay. I think I'm gonna end it there. Stay tuned for the next videos. Talk to you guys later.